Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. In this video, we will present our road safety audit conducted at the T junction in front of College Seroja. The objective of this study is to identify road safety issues, conduct field data collection, analyze the findings, and propose suitable mitigation measures to improve safety for all road users.
The selected road segment is approximately around 1.5 km and it serves as an important road connecting hostel, faculty, and bus stop. This road experiences a moderate to high traffic flow, including cars, motorcycles, buses, and pedestrians, especially during a peak hour. Based on initial observative, several potential safety issues were identified, which has motivated us to conduct the road safety audit.
From our preliminary inspection and literature review, we identified three main road safety issues at this location. First, vehicle speeding, where many vehicles were observed traveling above the campus speed limit. Second, lack of proper pedestrian crossing facilities despite high pedestrian movement in this area. Third, insufficient street lighting, which may reduce visibility during nighttime and increase accident risk. These issues are consistent with findings in previous road safety studies and relevant road design standards.
Before conducting the road safety audit, take proper precaution. Do not wear casual shoes. Make sure to wear safety shoes and a safety vest. To justify the identified problems, several field studies were carried out using appropriate engineering practice. For the speeding issue, a speed study was conducted by recording the travel time of vehicle over a distance of 150 meters and calculating their average speed. This method allowed us to determine whether vehicles were exceeding the recommended speed limit in the study area. To assess pedestrian risk, pedestrian behavior was observed during peak hours. The observation showed that some road users were using the road incorrectly, such as crossing at unsafe location or walking against traffic flow, which significantly increased the risk of accident. Additionally, site observations were conducted at night to evaluate the condition of street lighting. Insufficient lighting was identified as a contributing factor that could reduce visibility and further increase the risk to both driver and pedestrian.
The traffic speed and the traffic volume are analyzed as a part of the road safety audit. The speed study shows the most of vehicles are traveling at 30 to 35 km per hour, indicating the moderate operating speeds. Although high-speed vehicles are limited, the speed range can still pose a safety risk, especially for the pedestrian and motorcyclist. The traffic volume analyzed indicates a strong direction imbalance, with approximately 85% of a vehicle traveling in the downward direction and only 50% in the upward direction. This dominant flow increased the likelihood of the conflicts, particularly at the pedestrian crossing points and the cross-access junction. From a road safety audit perspective, the combination of a moderate speed and a high traffic concentration in one direction increase the exposure of potential accidents. Therefore, safety measures such as speed control device, improved warning sign, and enhanced road marking should be prioritized along the dominant traffic direction to improve the overall road safety.
The proposed mitigation measure aims to improve road safety by addressing speeding, pedestrian safety, and nighttime visibility. Firstly, speed control. High vehicle speed were observed during the speed study. To reduce speeding, a watts profile speed hump with advanced warning signage is proposed. In accordance with ATJ 2B 88 Pindaan 2019, warning sign must be installed at appropriate distance before the hump, mounted at 2.2 meters height with a 0.6 meter lateral clearance. The sign will be used black on yellow background to clearly indicate a warning to drivers. Secondly, pedestrian safety. There is a high pedestrian vehicle conflict due to the lack of a proper crossing facility. A thermoplastic zebra crossing with advanced warning sign is proposed. Based on ATJ 2D85, thermoplastic material is used for its durability and high nighttime visibility, with white marking to guide pedestrian movement while maintaining adequate stopping sight distance for vehicle. And finally, street lighting. Low nighttime visibility increases accident risk. Therefore, upgrading to LED street lighting is proposed following RIM Guideline 8/2004, as LED lighting provide better illumination and visibility in conflict area. Overall, this measure will enhance safety for both drivers and pedestrians.
That's wrap up our road safety audit here at UiTM Shah Alam. By hitting the pavement and diving into the data, we have pinpointed exactly where the risks are and more importantly how to fix them. Our proposed upgrades aren't just about following standard, but they are about preventing accidents before they happen. Whether you are driving, riding or walking to the class, safety should never be an afterthought. We hope this recommendation help transform our campus into a smoother, safer and more sustainable space for everyone.